Few mistakes that you have to avoid if you are into IT. I will talk about different kind of category. So there could be some generic category, some technical, non-technical. But trust me, these mistakes can give you a big jump in your career if you avoid them properly. The first mistake that I have seen very often that people don't adopt new tools or the new technology. They stick to one tool, they stick to one framework, and they don't want to adopt the new tools and the technology. It could be because they are not, I will say, consistent with their learning journey. It could be the fear of the new tool, or it could be anything. But trust me, if you avoid this, it can create a big mess if you're not learning new things, which is running in the IT market. Second big mistake is ignoring the soft skills. Many people, they don't participate in different activities. They're not good with communication. They don't want to get into the conflict. They just think that I will work and I will get the promotion, or I will get into a bigger ladder. No, you need to understand that your soft skills matters a lot. How you communicate, how you present yourself, how you present yourself with a team, or with a group of people. One of the most important part is the teamwork. You cannot work alone, right? You need to work with a team, so you need to understand the team dynamics, how to relate with people, how to influence people. If you are new to this, you might have to get some training or read books on it, but your soft skills play a very important role. It's not about the coding part, it's not about what code you write, how you attend the meetings, how you present, how you deal with people. Everything matters in IT, so please work on the soft skill too. Third mistake which people do is they avoid networking. They say, Mukesh, I work in a team, these are my circle, and I'm good with it. No, you need to network with different people working from the different domain, working in a different team. You might have to contact with the different people who are working into different companies, because your network is net worth. So I've seen they just focus on the small set of people, and that's all. You need to be open with any kind of networking. Go to LinkedIn, create a LinkedIn profile, connect with multiple professionals, and see how it changes. In IT, I've seen the referral part works a lot. Even if you get a opening directly, but if you go to a referral, chances are very high that you will get a chance to some good companies like Amazon, Google. I've seen many people who went through referral and they're working in Amazon and Google right now. You cannot avoid networking. It should be part of your game. Again, don't be very pushy. Be genuine, show your authenticity, connect with people, share your knowledge. If you add value to them, they will add value to you. If you're just expecting value from them, please don't do that. It's about win-win situation. You give something, you take something. So if you add value, they will give value back to you. So networking is the main part. Not only LinkedIn, if you have some meetups around, please attend meetups. Once in a year, try to attend at least one or two meetups. That will give you a bigger picture how people are growing in their career, what salary they have, what new things they're learning, right? So networking will give you a different door, or I will say the different vision, how people are working in different industries. This is very personal because it happened with me in the past, that they avoid self promotion. Self promotion is not bad. Okay. So what they do, they work and that's all. They don't promote, they don't share that this is what they have done, this is extra they have done. If you don't tell them, they will never get to know, even if they know. But if you don't tell them in a good way, these things will be unnoticed. So please, if you're working on something, if you're not able to communicate directly, write an email. I used to send one weekly updates, monthly update to my manager, because until they don't know what extra I have done, definitely it will create, impact on my promotion cycle. So if I'm writing something, if I'm doing something, if I'm doing something extra, I help someone, I did some extra activity which is not part of my activities, of not my part of goal plan, and still I did it. I make sure I tell them via email or in my one-to-one meeting. So please, you have to do the self promotion and the self marketing. Otherwise, you will go unnoticed. Next one is saying yes to everything. If you say yes to one thing, you're saying no to different things. It means if you're taking unnecessary work from the different team members, which is still not part of your goal plan or not part of your roles and responsibility, you are deviating from your work. And if you deviate from your work, definitely it will impact. So whenever somebody is coming to you with extra work, you have to prioritize and you have to say very assertively. Okay, you don't say no every time, but understand saying yes to each and everything, they will take advantage and you will get into big mess because you will not be able to complete a task. You hardly have few hours in a day. If you just do every work which is assigned to you, not your work, somebody else's work, then who will do your work? So please prioritize. And again, something which is very important, sometimes you can take it, but you have to be very assertive. I did a lot of time in the past that I used to say, okay, I will do this, I will do that, I will do this on time. But trust me, it created a mess at the end and I missed my own deadlines. So Be assertive, say, yeah, I can understand this is a high priority, but let me complete this one, then I will get back to you on this. Don't say no every time, but be assertive, be politely, and be genuine. Next one, feedbacks. Don't take feedback personally. If somebody is giving you, professional feedback, take this feedback in a positive way and see how you can improve on this. Every time manager gives you feedback, your team leads give you feedback, and if you take these feedbacks personally, you will again take on your ego. So take feedback positively, work on the skill set. Next time, if you get the same feedback, you might have to reiterate, you have to reinvent yourself. But if you don't get the feedback, if you don't work on the feedback, you are not growing. So please take feedbacks positively and work on the skill set. Last and the most important part is your work life balance. If you're just focusing on the professional part, if you're not able to maintain a work life balance, trust me, it will come out to burnout situation. That time you might have some serious issues, health issues, mental issues. I've seen many people who are working in IT, 10 years old, so they are going through a lot of health issues because they are not able to maintain their work life balance. So you have to prioritize everything. You are not only here to work, you're also here to enjoy. So take breaks, go to vacation, make sure you are balancing everything. Not too much of vacations because it will impact your professional life too. So keep a balance, personal versus professional, and you can survive in a long term. Again, last but not the least, everybody makes mistake. You will also make mistake. I have done a lot of mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Okay, don't get every mistakes too seriously. Enjoy this process, enjoy your IT journey, and share this video with your friends who are doing this kind of mistakes. Now, what do you think that other mistakes people are doing? Let me know in the comment section. And if you need any kind of support from my side, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe this channel, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.